definitely doesn't look like Port Stanley, does it? Here we are arriving at Prison Island, guys. It's about a 25-minute boat ride from Zanzibar.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Maybe, we'll see. Beautiful. One of the top-notch island here. Beautiful.
Should we leave our stuff here or
Yeah, you okay? Bring your backpack and maybe just leave the we can leave our towels and stuff here. Yeah.
All the towels and stuff.
Because the backpack just has towels in them.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we go.
There you go, girls.
Yes, you gotta take
You excited, Sydney?
Oh no, it's okay.
I didn't know you were
Yeah.
Come on. I can help you. It's okay?
Take her hat. Do you want your water shoes?
No, I'm okay. Actually, I'll take. I don't know why I'm putting these on.
Okay.
All right.
Go.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. There you go. Yeah. Do you need life jackets or no? We're not swimming. No, we don't need them. There you go. Yeah. Yes. Pole.
So you're welcome to Prison Island.
Thank you.
It's a popular island in Zanzibar.
Beautiful. That water is so nice and green, like clear colored. Suzu. You say that? Suzu?
Yeah.
And just to anybody watching this is the guy that you're gonna want when you come to the island here. I'll put his information in the comments below.
Come to Suzu Zanzibar, Hakuna Matata.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Get her off. Thank you. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Taste it?
You can see we came from just over here, 25 kilometers to Stone Town, to this beautiful paradise called Prison Island. Casey? History of the Aldabra tortoises. All right.
Ecco, li stanno arrivando.
Thank you. That's okay, we don't need it. Oh, we're just gonna have to wait a little bit. She'll be okay. Is that a peacock? We used to have peacocks on our farm. That's a peacock, right?
Peacock.
Yeah.
Peacock. Oh, really?
Yeah.
How many peacocks?
We had. Oh, is there something on my back?
You saw them or you had them?
Yeah, we ended up we have alpacas.
Okay.
They look like a camel. Have you seen them? Yeah. I'll send you pictures when we're back. Interesting animals. Hey, brother. Are these is all this and all the walls and all the buildings is from English?
Yeah, from the English people.
English people? Okay.
Yeah.
How old are some of these buildings?
Actually, it's 18th century.
18th century?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I got one more question for you.
Yeah.
Is it true about the spikes on the doors?
Yes, of course. Because in Zanzibar we have three types of door:
Mm-hmm.
Indian door, Omani door, and Swahili door.
So
That's
this
why
the Indian door?
this is Indian door, Arabian door,
Okay.
but some of the decoration from Swahili door.
Okay.
Just like this one, is a pineapple leaves. This is a pineapple,
Okay.
okay, and this one is like a scale of the fish.
Okay. Now I heard they put the spike on the doors.
Okay, so this sparks. Oh, pole. So this one sparks. In India, there was an elephant war.
Okay.
In order to protect it to elephant to go inside, people
That's-
from India put the sparks for more protection.
That's what I
In
heard.
Zanzibar, as a decoration, because in Zanzibar we have no elephants.
Okay. I heard that. So
Yeah.
I've said it on a couple videos, but
Hakuna matata.
yeah. Tuna matata. I don't know what kind of flies you guys have here, but they are huge and they bite.
I can't take you. You can take much pictures and
Oh,
videos.
thank you.
Did it bite me? Leo. Unaanza huko mbele hao eh?
Naanza huku namalizia huku.
Apige mjomba wewe. Tulia tu, apige safi sana na kubali.
What, is it bleeding?
Apige na kubali safi.
Really?
Tulia tu, apige vizuri. Kila kubali mpaka sasa. Naaminia sana.
I didn't want black.
We actually should have brought some bug spray. I've been good up till now with all the mosquitoes. No mosquitoes?
No mosquitoes, yeah.
But these flies are about this big here. I've never seen flies so
really?
big. Yeah, yeah.
We've got bigger flies here.
Yeah, we don't have flies that big back home.
Not much harmful. They're okay. But you know, flies are not good, you know.
No, yeah.
Not good. Yeah.
There's one another one.
Where? Is it on you?
He's trying to get in your hair.
Probably.
You're very bleeding.
Am I? Where?
Kuna mshikaji pale atanishtua ile.
Atakuchukua.
Yule tunatamwaje?
How's it going? She okay?
Yeah, she's slow.
I think we have about 3,200 shillings.
What is this red bug?
I am not sure. Not sure, sweetheart.
I'm wearing black.
A prison ruins.
I'm wearing black.
It's a little faded here to see. So am I bleeding down my back here?
Not like bleeding, like
Casey's telling me that I'm like,
no. Prison restaurant?
Get a poking in a prison island.
Yeah. Here you go.
Here you go.
what kind of tree is that?
What this kind of
It
tree?
looks massive, eh?
Yeah, it's a massive tree.
Look at the size of this thing.
We call it tamarind.
Okay. Yeah.
Tamarind, yes. The tamarind tree.
So you are welcome to Prison Island.
Thank you.
Hakuna Matata is a
Hakuna
popular
Matata.
island in Zanzibar. So in Zanzibar we have two popular islands. The first one, Prison Island. The second one, Mnemba Island, where that island is belonged by Bill Gates.
Oh, I heard that.
Yeah. That's why it's very popular in East Africa. So this island is called the Prison Island. East Africa was an ancient marine network since 3rd century BC. By that time, so many people came to East Africa. And in East Africa, there was a seat. That seat is called the Swahili city states.
Okay.
So other countries from East Africa combined together to make that seat. So one of the countries that made the Swahili city states by that time, Madagascar, Mozambique, Comoros Island, and Somalia, later on in Zanzibar Island. So many people from there came to East Africa to export and import the goodies. So in Zanzibar, actually, we had 4 products. The first one, spice. So the spice from Zanzibar sold. From Zanzibar, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, so passed through by this Mediterranean Sea up to in Italy. In Italy, there is one region is called the Venice. Venice was like a monopoly for spices. All the spice from Zanzibar, so must arrive to monopoly, later on supplied in European country.
Okay.
And another product is ivories.
Ivory.
So ivories from mainland brought to Zanzibar because Zanzibar Island surrounded by Indian Ocean. That's why it's very easy to cross to the Indian Ocean to go to another country. That's why so many people from mainland brought their ivories to Zanzibar. And another product, animals, skins. Last one, slaves. In East Africa, so the biggest slave market was Zanzibar.
What was that?
In Africans, actually, there were 3 countries that made slavery. The first one, South Africa. South Africa, there's one Rubeni Island where Nelson Mandela kept in that island
Yes.
for 27 years. For East Africa, there's other country, Gambia. All slaves from Gambia, West Africa, brought to Europeans country. For East Africa, Zanzibar Island. So many slaves from East Africa brought to Zanzibar. So people from Congo, Malawi, Uganda, and other countries brought to Zanzibar by using caravan up to Bagamoyo. In mainland, there is one place is called the Bagamoyo. Bagamoyo means lose your heart in that place. So slaves put it in that place for 2 days, and then ships from Zanzibar went to Bagamoyo to take slaves up to Zanzibar. So in Stone Town, there is one place is called the Mkunazini, where there was a slave market. Okay, so after that there, slaves put it in 2 chambers. In the house, there are 2 chambers, one chamber for female and children, and another chamber for male, putting in that chambers for 2 weeks. And then traders to come to Zanzibar to buy them. But before buying them, they have to show their energy, each slaves. So they were beating each other to show their energy. If someone cried, is weak. If someone didn't cry, is strong property. So traders, when he bought strong slave, just he was given 1 child as a gift. But so many people were died and killing each other because long caravan from East Africa to across the border up to Zanzibar Island. Don't take this, my friend. No. So after stopped slavery in 1873, Edward Steele and Dr. Livingstone built the church to show the memory where the slaves were beaten in that place. Okay. In Stone Town, there are 2 churches. The first one, Anglican Church, and then the Catholic Church. Okay? Yeah. So this name is called the Prison Islands. Why? Because of that beating.
Was it? No, it was Nelson Mandela. What island was he on?
No, here.
Not here. It was a different island. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
In South Africa, there's one island is called the Rubeni Island.
Okay.
In South Africa, where Nelson Mandela kept in that island.
Okay.
Okay. So the first Europeans who came to Zanzibar were the Portuguese. Their aim to store the things in order that are available in Zanzibar Island, not come here to establish a political system. No, they came here to take a property that are available in Zanzibar Island. But before that, Zanzibar had own Mjini Mkuu. Mjini Mkuu is not a white one. Mjini Mkuu was a black woman. Okay. So the Portuguese forced Mjini Mkuu to pay a tax. Later on, Mjini Mkuu and the other members of Zanzibar sailed to Oman to ask for help. And then Omanis came to Zanzibar. After coming to Zanzibar, they fought with the Portuguese. Later on, Zanzibar was under control by the Omanis until in 1964 that Zanzibar got dependent by the hand of the Omanis.
It's not very long ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this island was known Changuu Island.
Before Prison Island.
Yeah.
So Changuu.
Yeah. Then, before okay. Prison Islands, this island was known Changuu Island. So many fishermen were coming here to stay here, to go to the ocean to fish the fish. But why is now this island is known Prison Island?
Prison Island.
It's very popular around the world, according to that building. That building was like a prison.
Was it?
Yeah, that's why this island is known Prison Island for that building. Okay, so slaves from there, Stone Town, brought to Zanzibar to this island. For those disobedient slaves were put into this island for more punishment.
Oh no.
Okay.
Terrible.
Any questions so far?
Well,
but now, so after this island is to be Prison Islands, so this island actually was belonged to by the Arab who keeps slaves in this island. But after stopping slavery in 1873, there's one person who was known Leonard Mathon. He bought this island, but never used it as a prison. Instead, for quarantine station. In Zanzibar, actually, there is one problem of yellow fever. So many people from Stone Town were not allowed to go Stone Town. Then they're allowed here for checkup. After checkup, then allowed to go Stone Town.
Oh, so they stayed here before they could go to the main?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Okay, interesting. Quarantine.
Yeah, any question?
Bill Gates. What do people think about him and buying this island here?
So, you know that Zanzibar is Hakuna Matata. So many people from there come to Zanzibar to invest.
Yes.
That's why Bill Gates from there came to Zanzibar to investment.
Yeah. Investment at the sacrifice of other people, though.
Yeah,
that's
the
where
people,
that's kind of sad, but
Okay?
yeah.
Other question?
I think we're good. You're doing a great job.
Questions?
No, I think we're good. I think he's explaining this very good. Very informative.
So
Yeah.
we go to see the some of things inside. Later we go to see the tortoise.
Let's
So
do
the
it.
tortoise from Seychelles. So the tortoise, actually, there's one person in Seychelles. He was known Adabra, Governor Adabra. Governor Adabra was as the person from Seychelles provided the tortoise from the government of Zanzibar as a gift.
Okay.
There were 4 tortoises, but now remaining 1. That is the oldest one.
How old?
It's taken around 108.
108 years old. So there's how many are on the island now? The one, like, there's only one that exists from that time, or have they? How many are on this island, tortoises?
For this time,
Yeah, like how many are here now?
now the tortoise
Yes.
take 115.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, that's quite a bit.
yeah.
So they populated.
It's very popular. Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
You know, England, do you have a tortoise?
Yeah. Where we are, yeah, but
Huge,
actually-
big one or small one?
No, they're,
I don't
Small
know.
one.
they're pretty rare.
I think we have turtles.
So
but-
ready gray,
Yeah.
green tortoise.
Yeah.
Gray.
Gray and
So here we have a black tortoise.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Interesting.
The black tortoise are very huge, more than other tortoises around the world.
Okay.
Hakuna Matata. Are you ready to see?
I can't wait.
This one is called the tamarind tree.
Yeah, so we were pretty impressed with this one walking up to it.
So this one provided fruits inside. Inside, actually, the fruit is very available in Zanzibar Island, especially for men. If you have a problem of sex,
Yeah.
you take a fruits and then mix it in the soup for 2 weeks or a week. So when you go to sexy,
Oh, well, we don't got that problem, brother. How old is this tree? Was this tree here when this...
like
do you know?
around maybe 15 years.
Well, they grow that quick in 50 years.
Yeah,
so it's a very fast-growing tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay.
All
Any
right.
question?
No, you're doing great.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
So we go to see,
Let's do it.
and there's some of history over there.
Yeah.
There's one room that contains history about Zanzibar. There's a Princess Salme, Sultan Barhash. As you know, in Zanzibar, actually belonged to by 12 sultans from Oman.
Oh,
Okay, the last sultan from Zanzibar, he is known, Sultan Jamshid, is still alive now. He was in London, but now he is in Oman.
Oh, is he? Okay.
Okay, Kuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Any question, bro?
I think we're good. This guy probably knows all the history.
Okay, just
All right.
Can she throw water?
Is there water here?
Small water.
Sure. Why don't you just, can you do that? And... yeah. It's... It's a lot of history here, guys. A lot of dark history. But needless to say, it's still history, and we need to, back home, we're all about wiping out history, and I do believe that this history needs to remain so that we can work to make sure that this doesn't happen in the future.
This one is the oldest door since in 1893, this door. So actually, this door is very original.
Is it?
It's a fake door, it's original door.
Okay.
So after this island was bought by Leonard Malthorne, so he built, he's according to designing.
Yes.
So before that building, there's no windows.
Okay.
The windows was like that one, small hall.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, small hall. That was the windows.
Ah, I got
So
you.
the windows actually added it later.
Were they? Okay.
Okay.
Look at that. Original door. I think Mom's getting water right now. I think she's just gonna grab a water.
Okay.
She's just grabbing a water.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So this building had a roof with top.
Oh, did it? Okay.
Just look at a piece of the hood over there. It showed that this building had a roof.
Oh, okay.
But the roof is different away. And the loan they built there according to this designing. So over there was like a stage.
Oh, was there?
Like a stage over there.
What was the stage used for?
For the slaves.
Oh, it was used for the slaves. Okay.
Okay. And there's some of the rooms over here that use the other slaves room.
Jeez.
In that place there's a chain, leg chain, that's sure for those disobedient slaves.
Okay.
Okay, just go to see.
Yeah, let's take a look. Where's Where's Suzu? Just want to grab my shoes quickly. Is Suzu? Is he in? Oh, is he in here? Okay, I'm just gonna grab my shoes real quick. Oh. Is he in here? Suzu.
Yusuf.
I just want to grab my shoes. My feet are kind of getting hot.
The one.
Is he on this side?
Yeah.
Where? My feet are just getting a little hot here. Oh, there he is. I'm just gonna grab my shoes. My feet aren't as strong as yours. Thank you.
Yeah.
Burning, yeah.
Yeah, burning the beaches.
Thank you.
This one,
Oh my.
the chain, leg chain for those disobedient slaves. Were locked with this chain, so no person allowed to go to visit the other side in this island. Okay, they were torturing each other. Okay, they were necked from the hands, neck, and leg. So after coming the traders from other countries, so both them brought to Oman, Brazil, and French. So French for coffee plantation, Brazil for sugar plantation, Oman for domestic work. So I have a question to you.
Yes.
Why Oman there's no black people?
Why is there no black people there?
Yeah.
I don't know. They don't. They have them all enslaved. Unfortunately, I mean that's a dark history.
So
brother.
slaves from Zanzibar brought to Oman.
Yes.
So especially men, so were castrated.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah,
That's what they did.
That's why that reason now Oman there's no black people according for that reason.
That's terrible. That's us.
Okay.
Absolutely.
You understand? Okay.
There's. Wow.
That is a
It's
lecture.
it's very powerful just seeing that one piece right there. You know, I
Come on, sit.
can just imagine if this place could speak.
Right here there is a history about Tortoises and other history. Starting here to go. Okay. I'll be there.
Sure. We'll take a quick little glance through here. Thank you. used for quarantine. So that's it. It's interesting. Excuse me. So they basically taken these rooms, which were slave quarters, and converted them to both a museum, cafes, bookstores, that kind of thing. Places like this have a real energy, you know? These walls could speak. So our guide was saying that just behind me here, he called this the stage, and what we think of a stage back home is quite different what he's referring to here. This is where slaves were auctioned off right here. Yeah, we've had it in a couple. We had it in Morocco. Yeah.
That's a henna. Okay, so before coming industry, people were using local industry. So after coming machine, so industry, so all local industries actually spread away. So that is a locally industry. So people using for the t-shirt and other things. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, I think we're good. Yeah.
Yes, we go to see the place whereby the ships anchored and awaiting slaves. So why this town is called Stone Town?
Yes.
There's a reason behind.
Okay.
That town is called Stone Town according to, so most houses in Stone Town were built by coral, the limestone. So limestone people find a soft stone and they're burning on the fire. The burning on the fire just we get powder. After getting powder, so people mix the white powder
Yes.
and soil and make plaster. That's why that town is called Stone Town according to that reason.
That's interesting. So it's limestone, and then they put a coating over top of it?
Yeah.
Or is this all limestone?
Yeah.
Like this almost looks like there's underneath this is a different material.
Yeah, this one. The limestone.
So this is a limestone. What is this right here?
This is color. It's
So
painting.
Okay, I got you. So they just paint the limestone. Okay. Now, one question for you: is this kind of ancient graffiti? Is this graffiti from 200 years ago? Or is this from tourists? Is this old? Like the writings here?
So before that, this building there's no painting like that one.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, things actually after this island is was bought by Leonard Mathons. Actually, he built according to his designing, and they painted some of colors in this building. But before that, there's no colors.
No colors. It
No
was
paint
just.
color.
I got you. Okay, so they. Okay, that makes sense.
So here, place whereby the ships came and anchored here and waiting slaves. So all was the part of the building, but according to high tide of seawater, day after day, the water absorbed the rocks.
Oh,
In the
does
dirty
it?
place, there was a toilet. Okay, this place, there was toilet, but according to high tide of seawater, all toilets this
Back
way.
up. Okay.
And in that place whereby the captain takes shower,
Yes.
that place.
Okay.
To show that this building was the part of the building that is a piece of food. You see?
Sorry.
Piece
Say
of
again.
food is-
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
That's where they
Yeah.
the ships
Part.
came right in right here. Are these sardines? What kind of fish are these?
Actually, just small fish.
Small fish.
Small fish.
There's so many of them.
Yeah, yeah. Cool.
Millions of them. Very, very informative.
So any question?
Nope.
No
No.
question?
So the ships came right up here.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, interesting.
yeah. Okay. If you would like to make picture, stand there and make picture.
Yeah. We'll do a picture, guys. Just. Actually, you know what? We'll get some after, brother.
Baby mama is quite tired.
Yeah. Yeah. She looks like she's
Sydney's ready for a nap.
Yeah, she's ready for a nap. Poor thing. So our youngest, Sydney, who's 3 years old, she hasn't been feeling the greatest in the last couple of days here, so trying to do as much as we can with not pushing her too hard.
Oh yeah. Also, she's tired.
Hello.
So any question? Any question?
Sorry?
Any question?
No, I think
No
you're doing a
question?
great job, man.
We go
I
to
think
see
you
the
hit it all.
tortoise?
Yeah, let's go
Okay.
see the tortoise.
The queen is quite tired.
Yeah, she is very tired.
She's up a lot, Robert.
Too much partying. Hey, sweetie. Aw, poor thing.
Quindi avevano cambiato subito le idee, invece di usarlo come prigione l'avevano usato come l'ospedale. Una c'è la quarantena, è vero, sì, qui passate 2 quarantene.
Polisi walisema tunaondoka. Polisi sasa walisema tunaondoka. Sababu haiwezekani kujikana. Niko kama hiyo. Pale kama japokuwa wengine wanasema kwamba kutumia kama Waingereza hivi. Mama mchezaji mpya huyu. Na mlangoni kwa kuingia.
Got some different looking trees than us, don't they?
She's tired.
Yeah, she's tired. She can sleep later though. I think she's okay. I think she's feeling better.
Just see.
What was this building? Right here.
This building
Yeah,
actually
right
was
here.
built by Leonard Mason.
By who?
This building was built by Leonard.
Okay.
Leonard Mason was commander-in-chief of Sultan Sami. So that's the one who bought this island
Yeah.
after stopped slavery. Okay.
Okay.
This one and that one too.
Okay.
That one is now reception hall.
I got you. Okay.
Okay.
Testing.
Mr. Leonard.
Ça suffit, hein. Si je finis encore, je te jure, je vais pas faire. Je te laisse faire des grosses tortures.
Facciamo fuori? Allora ma devo capire suona nani. Allora che cambia capitamo niente. Fate un giro ragazzi, vi aspetto un paio, ok?
Poi che c'è sto due.
E poi andiamo a vedere la faremo
There are two types of this species, tortoise and turtles. So tortoise always live on dry lands. Turtles always live on the water.
Oh,
Yes.
didn't know that.
So turtles are available in Nungwi aquarium there. So many tourists go there to snorkeling with them.
Okay.
Okay. So and other tortoise in this island there's having number. And other tortoise in this island, they have number. So the number show the age of their.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, do they? Okay.
Okay. Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
So any question?
Batata.
So now take picture, photo, and later on we go to see the babies tortoise.
Okay.
On how can you know female and the male tortoise? Later on you will know everything about this.
Oh, is it
So
pretty
the
obvious?
time to light their eggs. So from May up to in the middle of July, that's a time to light their eggs.
Okay.
Hakuna Matata.
So I was gonna say, I like how they just sit right in the middle of the way here, so everybody's got to go around them.
Yeah.
It's like
They like to vegetarians, like spinach salads.
oh, is that what they eat? Okay.
Okay.
Right on. Well, let's go take a look at these bad boys. Yeah, we'll get I just got a shot of him. We'll get some pictures.
Pictures of Casey.
Yeah. I'll
I
just
can't carry you, honey.
look at that, eh? It's okay.
Yes, baby.
Aspetta che ci salutiamo. Mira,
Hey, buddy. Just hanging out.
Vabbè, poi le fa bene con le altre.
Just hanging out.
Let's go. I can carry you. Come on.
I should have brought her in the store.
This way. Hey. Oh.
They like massage.
Yeah.
She likes massage more than other
You want to touch
things.
him for a sec, just a little?
Take a picture of Casey with the turtle. Like, take a picture.